Hello everyone, this video is for my hair transplant. As you know, well, the people that they follow me regarding the hair transplant, I did hair transplant 2 weeks and a half ago. It was on the 7th of October. I did only the front area, so I did only this part, actually, if you can see. It's nice, it's in very good. This is all hair, I don't know if you can see from the light. Yes, they're growing quite well. Very happy with that. This one, I banged my hair here and banged my head around here yesterday. I was fixed something like under the kitchen. So I banged my head. Anyway, that is a different story. I haven't done the back part. I haven't. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do. I think maybe I will. At the moment, I just want to enjoy the first part. The density looks quite well, to be honest. Actually, if you see, it looks exactly the same way the one I used to have on the I have on the back and sides. This one, it looks quite light, is because it's all grey area compared to this one. This one seems like the only transplant with the black part, which would be great. And look, I know sometimes, like, you know, the difference of the lights have the lights on the back that is giving different reflection, but I can assure you, like, if you're on the video, it looks fantastic, like it looks there. I just want to make this video because I said to everyone that I would document, and here I am. So it's looking very good. I'm gonna go for another shampoo right now. We are in the lockdown, so usually I'm doing 2 shampoo a day. Maybe during the lockdown I'm gonna do it 4. If you have any question, anything, please just ask me on the comments below, and I'm gonna come back to you. And you can direct me privately, and I'll be happy to answer your question. Okay? Have a nice life. All right, see you soon.